How do you define success? Is it when copper and components meet seamlessly, or when a board executes its function flawlessly? Or is it something more? The joy on a child's face, the empowerment to save lives, a melody that fills a room and soothes the soul. You don't measure the success of your products by the sum of their parts, but by their fulfillment of a meaningful purpose. What if you held your suppliers to the same test? Would your relationship be built on specification or worth? Delivering electronics on a timeline is not the same as moving mountains to meet your timeline. Making something that works is not the same as helping you make something work. A supplier you can rely on is always there when you need, and always responsive to your changing needs. Invested in your purpose, not just your products. That's Marco's purpose, and has been our promise for over 20 years, because we know that assembling your circuit boards isn't just in satisfaction of a product, but in service of a smile.